Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ryan, and today we empower you to turn your business dreams into reality. Today, I have something very special for you. A comprehensive 10 or so minute action plan to guide you through every step of starting your own business. So, you should definitely grab a pen and a piece of paper because we're diving into the ultimate guide. Now, let's get started. Phase 1 is idea and research. The journey begins with finding your passion and identifying the problems you're eager to solve. But it doesn't stop there. We'll explore market research techniques to understand your audience and competition. The goal? Craft a unique value proposition, UVP, that will set your business apart and resonate with your target market. Phase 2 is planning. Now that you have a solid idea, it's time to plan for success. We'll walk through the essentials of a business plan, setting goals, defining your target market, analyzing competitors, and projecting finances. Choosing the right legal structure and creating a robust financial plan are the critical steps to ensure a strong foundation for your venture. Phase 3 is execution. Execution is where rubber meets the road. Building a memorable brand, establishing an online presence, securing funding, and acquiring essential resources are crucial. We'll explore strategies to make your business stand out and thrive in a competitive market. Efficiency is key to sustained success. In this phase, we'll delve into creating effective operational systems, building a skilled team, and ensuring legal compliance. With the right operational framework, your business will be poised for growth and success. Phase 5 is marketing and sales. No business can flourish without effective marketing and sales strategies. We'll guide you through developing comprehensive marketing plan, utilizing both online and offline channels. Learn how to train your sales team and define a process that converts leads into loyal customers. In business, adaptability is essential. We'll explore how to set up metrics and analytics to monitor your progress. Regularly reviewing customer feedback and adapting your strategies based on data will help your business on a trajectory of continuous improvement. Phase 7 is growth. As your business gains momentum, it's time to think about expansion. We'll discuss strategies for identifying growth opportunities and networking effectively, and also focusing on continuous improvement. This phase is about taking your business to new heights. Before we wrap up, I'll share some additional tips and insights to enhance your entrepreneurial journey. We'll touch on staying motivated, dealing with challenges, and keeping up with industry trends. And there you have it. Ultimate guide to starting your own business in 5 minutes, more or less. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Your journey is just beginning. Success is a journey, not a destination. I'm Ryan, signing off from my channel. Until next time, keep building, keep growing, and best of luck on your entrepreneurial journey.